Okay, now I'm going to discuss about the Kubernetes um, monitoring using the Prometheus or the Grafana. First of all, what exactly we are doing? It is the only theoretical part. Actually, Kubernetes API server, what we have previously discussed, has a lot of importance uh, in everything. Actually, API server is managing, like it is sending the request to the worker nodes, also the controller manager, also it has information about the metrics, also API server metrics. And this API server metrics, when you call for API server slash metrics, it will give you every information related to the cluster. And um, Prometheus has something called as a retriever. Here, over here, it has a retriever. It will receive that information out of the Kubernetes API server, and it has a time series database accordance with the time for every second what we are dealing. It will take those information and store it in the SSD or SSD of the node, or the virtual machine. And after that, it has a HTTP server, hypertext transfer protocol server, that sends this information as a push notification to the alert manager. This alert manager is connected with a pager duty or the email or any of the resources what you have. From this Prometheus, you can able to send the information, a push notification to pager duty or the email via the alert manager. Or you can use a PromQL. Like SQL, there is some sort of a query language called PromQL, through which you can able to send the same data to the Prometheus web UI or the Grafana or any of the API client, and you can able to create a whole of service out of it. Normally, Kubernetes monitoring is important because some of the pods might be in a ready state, or they might be getting destroyed, deleted, or some of the pods getting updated. For such all the information, it is required to go for these all the things. Therefore, when you're dealing with any of the monitoring, this is required thing.